One of the largest entertainment events on the local calendar kicked off yesterday in Negril. It's the annual Holiday Dream Weekend Party series, but this year it's amid a pandemic which is getting worse. Organizers insist it's a bubble event, but is that working? Anthony Lugg has our report.
Traffic along the Norman Manley Boulevard in Negril, Westmoreland. This as patrons made their way to the first event on the Dream Weekend calendar, Celebrity Playground.
It has been smooth so far. We have strategically placed our personnel at the venue where they are selling the tickets, and we are here at the main entrance to the party. And as you can see, the traffic is flowing smoothly.
It's nothing like it used to be, but the vendors along the strip are grateful.
We can be able to finance ourselves a little better after this, after it finishes. Yes, the time short, but we have to make use of the time that is short.
It's a bit slow, but we give God thanks, and the price is a bit high because, you know, we have to pay to vend, but we have to live with it.
Inside the venue, pure vibes. Our news team tried to get inside to assess the enforcement of the COVID-19 protocols, but were told no media was allowed. Images obtained, however, showed several patrons without masks, while others wore it under their chins. Representatives from the Westmoreland Health Department were also on location.
So far, the event has been going fairly well. I mean, there are still a few deficiencies here and there, but it's a work in progress, and we hope that this will be a successful event for the parish and we won't have any soaring of any cases in the coming weeks.
Last week, the promoters announced a strict admission policy for the events. All patrons entering the events must be fully vaccinated or present a negative COVID-19 test. Concerns have been raised, however, about the verification process.
From testing so far this morning, has anyone turned up here positive?
I would not be privy to that information, sir. Well, based on the observation, persons would have been tested for the past 2.5 days, so tests are ongoing. As it relates to the positivity or negativity rate, I really don't know.
In the meantime, renewed calls for persons to adhere to the protocols.
You still have persons moving around not wearing their protective mask, but as you know, they will tell you that they forget the mask and they are not comfortable with the mask. But we're trying to do our best, and we keep warning them about the importance of wearing the mask.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.